Hey folks, it's Alan here from LearnKoreanFast.com again, and in this video we're going to be talking about this, that, and the other thing. Okay, so it's good to say something is, but it's much easier if we can at least use the verb, the pronouns for this, that, right? And the good part about this is also that we're going to be able to use the first parts of these later in some really other important structures as we go. Okay, so we have this one, right? So we're going to do this, that, and that over there, because in Korean they do differentiate from things that are close to the listener, right? So this and that, so that means something is closer to the listener. This means close to me, but that means it's not close to either of us, right? So in English, we're just using that and that, which I'm sorry for a lot of Korean speakers makes this really difficult to understand which one we're talking about. But in Korean, there are separate ones there, right? So for this, as this thing, right? So we have 이것, right? 이것, 그것, and 저것. All right, so really simple, right? So we have 이것, 그것, 저것. So 이것, marker이에요, right? This is a marker, right? So 그것, that over there by the listener, is something else, right? And it's really important. Notice that we have this just good, right? Good, right? But later we're going to be using these first parts in some other really useful structures for us, and they're going to maintain that kind of spatial relationship meaning. So 이 사람, this person, right? So 그 사람, that person, 저 사람, that person way over there, right? So we can use that for thing, 것, basically, right? So, or we can just put here, we can just put the noun here, right? So 이 사과, 이 banana, 그 banana, right? That banana, right? So not very difficult, but it is important to get it down, right? So this, that, 이것, 그것, 저것. Okay, so great. I hope that helps you out. So be sure to subscribe, hit like, comment, leave questions if you have some below, and please check out the links below to learn Korean fast for some other free resources for learning Korean. And there is a link below to my books on Amazon.com. And buying those books that does help me out a lot, and I really do appreciate everyone who has been doing that. So thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for watching. 다음에 뵙시다.